PORZ GORET, or PORZ GORET. I don't know how to pronounce this. Some French music by Yann Tiersen. I'll play the first section for you, maybe 15 seconds of the theme, and then I'll show you the whole theme and all of its variations afterwards. So here's what it sounds like. This is where I'll stop. We'll begin with the left hand, and the nice thing about this piece is the left hand is the same everywhere. You know, once you learn these chords, it's just a question when you go further into the variations of breaking it up like this, or breaking it up like this, or just some small change, but the point is the positions and the notes stay the same throughout. So let's learn that. Before we do, please hit that notification bell to let the YouTube algorithm know that you find this content worthwhile, if you in fact do find it worthwhile. We'll start with 5, and then 2, 1 twice. Next we have a 4, top 2, twice again. And there's your first bar, very straightforward. Next bar, just shift everything down. 5 on D flat, and then 2 and 1 twice, and then 3, 2 and 1 twice. These are all eighths, very straightforward rhythm, very regular. Next bar. 5 on C, top 2 twice, stayed the same as the bar previous. 4, top 2. Next bar. That's 5, 2 and 1, twice. 3, 2 and 1 twice. Next bar. 5, 2 and 1 twice. 3, 2 and 1 twice. And the final bar. That's 5, same 5 as before. 2 and 1. 4. And 2 and 1. Of course, you still have doubled on each of those top 2. Those are your positions. Learn them very well. Get comfortable with the movements from one to the other, and the whole piece will become very much available to you. I'll play it through with counting. The counting is very straightforward in 6/8 time. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A small note about the technique here. Be a little heavier on the bottom notes. So there's a sense of the hand falling on this one and then rising on these two. You don't want the top 2 to be too loud. And then down, up, down, up, down, up, balance of this left-hand section. Okay, so with that in mind, let's go to the next bars. The next 6 bars are identical to the 6 bars I've just taught you in the left hand. We're just adding a right hand into the mix, so it's not too bad. So let's have a look at what the right hand is up to. Notes first, and then we'll talk about the rhythm. 5-4 to begin. And then 2-1. You hold that for a while. The next bars are as follows. We have, so that's 5-2. Hold for a bit, and then 3-1. Hold that for a while. Then we rise up to 2 and 3. And then 5-4. And that's it. It's very bare, very sort of naked, the right hand. Now we just have to know where to place all this stuff. The nice thing about this piece is all of the rhythmic complications repeat a lot. So the very first note falls in between the left hands, so watch. See that first note, the B, falls in between the left hands, and then they come together here. Left, 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 right, together. Left, left, right, together. So that's important. Make sure you have that rhythm down because it's everywhere and we can take advantage. Once you learn this, everything else becomes a lot easier. Once more. Left, 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 right, together. Left, left, right, together. Let's continue. Next bar. See, it's the same rhythm, right? So left, 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 right, together. Left, left, right, together. Left, right, together. Left, right, together. Beauty. So that shouldn't be too complicated as long as you understand how the hands sort of seesaw between one another. Now the pedaling. The pedaling that you do for the left hand in the beginning of the piece when there's no right carries through into the beginning of the theme with the right hand. So the pedaling is as follows. Every bar gets its own. Start with the pedal down. Change. 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 And then moving into the next section, which has the right hand theme, the pedaling remains identical. So change. Change. Now I should also say that pedaling is very much reliant on the instrument that you have and your own taste, right? It doesn't have to be the same for everybody. This is just what works for me, what I like, and what sounds good on my piano. But that's a general rule of thumb. You want to change wherever the harmony changes. Okay, now we're going to move into the next section, which is kind of a repetition, but with some variation. And so on and so forth. I'll continue on the website. Join me there. It's free to try it out, so why not give it a shot? And yeah, download the sheet music as well. You can get the sheets directly from the website once you become a member. And we'll finish this whole thing off. It's a really lovely and very fun piece to play, so I think you're not going to regret it at all. Pick it up and finish it. All right, I'll see you in the next ones, guys. And oh, subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate that. I would. All right, see you in the next one.